There comes a point in a man's life when he stops negotiating with emotional pressure. In that moment, it's not loud, it's not dramatic. It happens the day he realizes that constantly managing someone else's reactions is not love. It is not love. It's a slow erosion of self. It doesn't begin in anger, it begins in recognition. He looks back at years of being pulled into conversations that went absolutely nowhere and arguments that they resetted rather than resolved. Feelings that were treated as facts, right? And he finally sees the pattern. He finally sees that he was never heard the entire time. He was being handled. Men spent most of their lives being taught that being a good man meant absorbing everything. Listen more,